if fall was a cartoon, this is what fall would look like. I didn't just do fall makeup, I am fall makeup. I can't even. Welcome to my channel, Megan Victoria. For my MVPs, welcome back. Nice to see you. And for everyone who is new, welcome. My name is Megan. I put out 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm a pro makeup artist, so I like to show you guys how to get like really beautiful conceptual makeup looks, but like very easy and step-by-step instructions. We're all about like removing the intimidation like to Instagram makeup and, you know, just making makeup fun again and having a good time. So if that sounds up your alley, I would love it if you became an MVP and hit the subscribe button. So with all that said, I really hope you enjoy and let us get started. Alright, so let's get started. I'm not actually sure pretty much at all what I want to do today, as usual, but I just got all my palettes and I just want to do something really rich, chocolatey, and like just fall vibes. Like I've agreed, it's fall, I'm into it, so let's see where this takes us. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is take this cream shade. So this is M600 from Makeup Forever, and I just want to build up some intensity kind of like on that outer corner. So next I'm going to go into my Visionary palette. I'm going to grab the shade Tycoon. So it's a really like deep, nice chocolatey brown. And we're basically just going to set that cream base in place. I'm then going to take it on the brush and kind of bring it in like a cut crease. Then I'm going to jump into my Violet Voss palette and I'm going to grab this Hashtag shade, which is this really beautiful orange, and we're going to kind of smoke this out and just like warm up that brown. Then I'm just going to dip back into that chocolatey brown shade just to mix it well with the orange. Just really diffuse those edges. And when you get higher, just kind of fall back on the pressure of the brush and just kind of have a really soft hand, and that'll give you that really soft, diffused, blended look. I'm gonna go back again with that Tycoon. And at the end, you can just take a clean blending brush and just smooth all of that together. Then I'm going to go into this shade called Private Party, and this is in my Soiree Diaries palette. Just want like a nice matte vanilla just to give the brow bone a little bit of highlight and emphasis without like too much shimmer. Turn the brush sideways to lightly blend that into that transition area. Alright, so we're going to go into this beautiful, like really true gold bronze shade called Leader right here, and I'm going to apply this just with my finger to the center of the lid. Oh my god. Oh wow, that's like foil on the eyes. That is so beautiful. Wow. Clearly I've not used this shade yet. Used the palette, but I've never touched this shade. Wow, that's incredible. So we'll just use that small blending brush and diffuse that brown into that gold shade. I was going to do a little bit more of a gradation, but I actually really like this gold color, so I'm just going to take it and bring it into the inner corner. This look is deliciously warm, and I think because it's like all like these browns and golds, I kind of want to bring a little bit of red into it. So I'm going to go in and take this Wine and Dine shade right down here, and I'm just going to work this kind of right on top of the like dark brown in the crease to just kind of soften that crease color. So it'll kind of go fade into this red and then into the orange. And then I'll just take that blending brush with that Hashtag shade and just blend out that red. Now it looks like autumn leaves up in my eyeballs. Oh my god, yes. And just because we've manipulated the crease so much, I'm going to take that Tycoon shade and just retrace the crease with that dark brown, just so we don't lose that color altogether. The eyes are so pretty. Oh my god, y'all. I really think this look is stunning. I know I'm biased, but I do. It's so pretty. Alright, so for the bottom lash line, I have actually, ooh, right, I have this thing. I thought of it. Where did it go? Okay. So I have this liner from Kiss, and it's just this like really beautiful burgundy shade. So I'm gonna line my lower lash line with that and my waterline. And we're gonna take it in because why not? Alright, so then I'm also gonna line the waterline. Just with a small brush, I'm gonna dip into the hashtag shade, that beautiful orange, and I'm just gonna smoke out this liner. You know when cartoons have like the same outfit in every episode? I feel like if fall had a makeup look in a cartoon, this would be it. I'm really gonna smoke out that orange with that hashtag shade and really kind of pull it down. Again, I don't feel like doing an eyeliner, which is so weird for me, so I think I'm just gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, and we will be right back. Alright, so here we are with the finished eyes. I don't know what else to say. Moving on, let's do the lips. So we've got this little baby guy. So this is the NYX Lip Lingerie. This one is in Beauty Mark, and I'm going to apply this. The whole reason I want to do this look is I really want to do like a chocolate brown lip. So that's what we're gonna do. I love shit brown lips. Alright, so once this dries, I'm going to go over top with a lipstick. I just like to, you know, add moisture back to the lips. So this is Hot Chocolate, how appropriate, from Eve Pearl. So we're just going to apply this on top. See, it really gives that like shit brown color. It's just good. This is pretty much what I was picturing when I like imagined this look, so I'm super into this. I want to bronze up the face a little bit more though, because like, you know, we have a lot of darkness going on, so I just really want to add that warmth back into the face. A little powder to get rid of, you know, the shine from the lights. And there we have it. This is the final look. I love it. I wish it wasn't like midnight and I wish I could go somewhere. But alas, I'm gonna go wash my face and go to bed. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this look and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.